Hello, welcome back to another video with your girl Q. If you are new to the channel, this is your first time visiting the channel, hello, my name is Q. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a part of the family. If you are a subscriber and you've been here all along, hey, today we are eating another seafood boil. I kept it light with this seafood boil. I have shrimp, king crabs that I had yesterday, potatoes and some corn, and I have some sauce that I made. It was super simple, just butter, garlic, sugar, hot sauce, and vinegar. That simple and that easy, you guys. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I am having a glorious day. I can't complain, y'all. I woke up this morning, I'm in my right mind. I have clothes on my back. I mean, what is there to complain about, you know? It's like people always complaining about something. They got so much to be thankful for. So yeah, you guys. So these are the same crab legs from yesterday. I just put them in the oven again, and I'm just going to go ahead and eat the rest of it. I just want to say that I love you guys so much. You guys mean everything to me. We are at 5,000, over 5,000 subscribers, you guys. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is good. Try this butter sauce. It's really good. I don't have a recipe. It's just something super simple and you can create. If you don't like moaning, smacking, burping, this is not the video for you, and I'm so sorry. You guys, so we're at over 5,000 subscribers. That's awesome. Thank you guys so much. You guys are the bomb. You guys are the bomb. I'm gonna have to bake these more often. These are so good. I usually steam them, and they taste so much better when you bake them. It just gives it like a different flavor. Yes, you guys, like, our channel is growing so wonderfully. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to stick around. A lot of you guys were telling me that I should try Be Lovely sauce, and I absolutely will. I love her. I'm definitely gonna give her sauce a try. But I wanted to keep this boil a little simple today because I have another boil coming out on Sunday. So just stay tuned for that. This sauce is so good. It's so simple, but it's so good. Butter, hot sauce, vinegar, sugar, some seasons that you want, and garlic. I don't have the measurements because it's just, you just do it to your taste, so. Mmm. Mmm. This is sweet corn. Mmm. So I hope you guys have a wonderful 4th of July. I think I'm going to have a wonderful 4th of July myself. I'm going to be going to the beach tomorrow. Now, I was going to film a video for you guys tomorrow, but I'm going to be so busy. I'm thinking about maybe vlogging while I'm at the beach. And I'll eat like some beach food and upload it tomorrow. I don't know yet. You guys, this is really, really good. This sauce is very, very delicious. It's so tasty. So I hope whatever you guys decide to do, you have a safe 4th of July. These crab legs were huge, you guys. I couldn't finish it. And I got them on sale at Costco. So delicious. And this sauce is everything. Simple ingredients are always the best. Just keep it simple. I don't know. It's something about putting it in the oven. It gives it like a roasty taste. And it's very delicious. I'm excited to go to the beach. Hopefully it's not too hot. Y'all know I cannot stand the heat. I cannot. So, we're leaving here at 5 a.m. because And she wants to get a good parking spot and all of that. So and I'm gonna go to the store and get some sandwiches because we're gonna do like some sandwiches on the way there. I just want to let you guys know that you are truly appreciated. I cannot believe that we are at 5,000 subscribers. I am just blown away. There will be a giveaway at 10,000 subscribers. And I'm just thankful. I want you guys to know that each and every one of you is special to me. Each and every one. Each and every one. I don't take you for granted. I don't take you lightly. And I want you guys to know that if you want to start YouTube, start it. If you want to do mukbanging, start it. Do it. Whatever it is that you want to do, you have to take the first step. Don't be nervous. There's nothing to be nervous about. Ain't nothing to be scared of. Oh, well, I don't look good enough. Yes, you do. I'm not skinny enough. You're fine. Whatever is holding you back from starting your YouTube channel, because I know that there's some of y'all out there that want to do a YouTube, but you're nervous because you don't want to be viewed a certain way, or you're shy. It's okay. Just get out there and do it. You're the only one that's holding yourself back. You are unique and perfect just the way you are. You don't need to change yourself to fit into anybody's standards. I'm so glad I was told to do mukbanging like 2 years ago, and I was like, I don't want to do that. Like, I don't want to see people eating. That's weird. Like, why do people want to see that? And I just started like watching more and more of them, and I'm like, this is kind of cool. So I wanted to do one for myself, and here we are. And it has been the best decision. One of the best decisions I've ever made. One. God, you guys, this butter sauce is so bomb. So if you want to start a YouTube, do it. I appreciate you so, you guys, more than you know. More than you know. This mukbanging is so healing to me. You know, you guys, can I share something with you guys? So, before mukbanging, I was in like a really dark place, you guys. Like, I was like, I didn't know, I wasn't happy with my job. I wasn't happy with, it just seemed like I just wasn't happy with anything. You know, like I was going through like a transition period in my life. Transitioning with friends, transitioning with every area of my life. And I decided that, you know, let me just use this as like an outlet. Excuse me. And I did. And who would have thought that there were so many sweet, amazing, beautiful people. Each and every one of you guys are just so beautiful from the inside and out. And you guys always tell me, oh, you're so beautiful, oh this, oh that. No, you guys are beautiful. You guys are amazing. You guys are everything that you, all the positive stuff that y'all tell me, you can find it in yourself. I appreciate that, you guys. That's why I always say, like, it's easy to leave a negative comment on somebody's page, but you just never know what somebody's going through. You just never know. And they could be using YouTube as an outlet, as a way to escape their everyday norm. You know? Continue to spread love, continue to spread light. This channel is a channel of love and light. And we don't have room for anybody that is doing the opposite of love and light. So if you're filled with hate, if you're filled with negativity, we don't welcome that on our page. Like, we don't welcome that. Like, we don't welcome that. When I say we, I'm talking about me and you guys. You guys are subscribed here. Spread love, spread light, spread positivity. You know what I'm saying? I want this to be a safe place where you can come, let loose. We can eat together. We can cry together, because we're going to be crying. Trust and believe. We family, and I do not hold back, okay? We're going to be shedding some tears. We're going to be healing, okay, from like hurts that we have gone through. You can come here and get good advice. You can come here and know that I'm not judging you. No matter how you look. No matter what. It don't matter how you look to me. What matters is your heart to me. Who are you as a person? We're going to grow. We're going to learn. I'm not just doing this just because, just to do it. No, I want this to be something that you can grow from, that we all can grow from. I encourage you guys to spread more love and light. I just feel like there's so many things that you have to worry about on a daily basis. And, you know, you got to worry about the kids. You got to worry about your husband, your boyfriend, your mom, your dad, whoever. Like, just being in your everyday life, you got to worry about so much stuff. And I just want you guys to know that this is a place where I want you to feel comfortable. You know, this is our space. This is our space. And we're going to create something amazing together. We are going to create something amazing together, you guys. Excuse me. Thank you guys so much for following along this journey. It's gonna get super emotional. We're gonna have fun, we're gonna laugh, we're gonna play, we're gonna do all that stuff. But I am an open book. I'm gonna share a lot of stuff with you guys. How I got through certain things. From the bottom of my heart, I cherish, I value each and every one of you. Each and every one of you is special. Each and every one of you is powerful, amazing. You can do anything that you want to do. You can do anything you put your mind to. I speak healing over your life. If you're battling some kind of sickness or something going on in your body, I speak healing over your body. I speak healing over your mind. If you're battling depression, we send positive energy, positive vibes to you, okay? I'm sending that to you now. I send you nothing but love, happiness, prosperity, success, new ideas, new creations, innovation, anything. I send it to you. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you later. Bye.